Who are you? Liam called out, voice trembling. Another giggle. Just a lost soul, wanting friends, the watery voice whispered, sending a chill down their spines. Panicking, Josh lunged for the door, but it wouldn't budge. The puddle now surrounded them, cold and unyielding. The shoes came closer, yet no figure was seen above them. Suddenly, the bathroom lights dimmed, then brightened. The water was gone. The shoes, too. Josh and Liam exchanged relieved glances, bolting out of the bathroom. Outside, Liam took a deep breath. That was close. Josh grinned. You're telling me. But hey, we made it. Then a smirk spread across his face. Dare you to go back in? Liam hesitated, then smirked back. Only if you come with me. Together, they approached the entrance, pushing the door open, only to hear from within,